In this video, you'll learn how to get your money off hold on eBay. This guide explains the steps necessary to release held payments and what actions you can take to expedite the process. Begin by logging into your eBay seller account. Once logged in, navigate to the My eBay section, which is typically located at the top of the page. From there, select Selling to access your seller dashboard. Review the payment details for the order in question. Payments may be held for various reasons, such as being a new seller or due to the high value of the transaction. eBay may also hold funds until the item is shipped and delivered successfully. Understanding the reason for the hold is crucial, as it helps you gauge how long the hold might last. Next, promptly ship the item to the buyer. After you've shipped the item, locate the order in your seller dashboard. Click on the order to view its details. There you will find an option to add tracking. Enter the tracking number you received from the shipping carrier. This tracking information allows eBay to verify that the package is on its way to the buyer. Providing this information not only helps expedite the release of your funds, but also builds trust with your buyers, which is vital for good seller performance. Once the tracking information indicates that the item has been delivered, eBay may release the held funds to your available balance. It is important to note that processing times can vary based on your account history and the specifics of the transaction. Keep an eye on the payment status in your dashboard to see when the funds become available. Ensuring that you maintain positive feedback and reliable shipping habits can help reduce the likelihood of future payment holds. Throughout this process, it is advisable to monitor your internet connection and ensure that you have sufficient storage if you are using any apps or software to manage your eBay transactions. Large files such as shipping documents may take longer to upload depending on your internet speed. Always check your available storage space before uploading any new files to avoid interruptions during the process. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.